Hey guys, so today we're going to be going ahead and putting a new piece of trim on my 2000 Mercury Sable. I purchased it, it didn't have a piece of trim on the passenger front door. So yeah, pretty much it's pretty easy to put a piece of trim on. This is pretty universal for a lot of cars. You just go ahead and take your piece of trim, if it's used, get a razor blade, go ahead and scrape and clean up all of the edges. So we're going to go ahead and heat up this old foam adhesive, get the glue a little soft. And we're gonna get ourselves a plastic putty knife, I guess. Go ahead and scrape off this old foam. Okay, so we have the surface all prepped. We cleaned it with some water and isopropyl alcohol. Now, just in case the trim does decide to fall off, I am still gonna put some tape over all these holes. So I've got some Gorilla Tape right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and just nicely tape over all these holes. And because I had my dirty fingers rubbing against all the tape, part of the double-sided 3M tape that we're gonna use is gonna be on the tape that I just put on. So let's wipe that tape clean as well. So I accidentally put tape over some of the holes that there are some guide pins that the trim has to go into. Just don't do the same mistake I did. Anyway, so now we're all good. I've got some of this 3M double-sided tape. It's got a little bit of like foam on it. So go ahead and lay this thing pretty much the whole length. Now we got the whole thing pretty much lined up. Go ahead, press it all down, and we'll do the bottom row. Okay, so we can go ahead and peel our red tape off and expose the adhesive side. Go ahead, get this lined up with our pins. Make sure you clean this as best as you can with some isopropyl before you install it, just to give it the best chance to adhere. Alright, so that's now all cleaned and dried. We're just going to go ahead and line up these little guide pins. That's just going to help us out to get this thing on straight. Alright, give her a good press. Yeah, so my camera died just as I was sticking this on, but there's not too much to putting new pieces of trim on. Anyways, I really hope you found this video helpful, entertaining, and educational. Until next time, YouTube, thanks and take care.